I know you want to achieve glass skin, but after trying DIYs and endless skincare products, you're frustrated with zero results. Most creators, they just promote their products. But today, I'm telling you the truth about glass skin and how to actually achieve it step by step. And trust me, you don't want to miss the last step, so stay till the end. Let's get real. Glass skin isn't just about slapping on expensive products. What they don't tell you is that most of those flawless pictures and videos are filtered, lots of flashy lights, and enhanced with professional treatments. The truth? Genetics play a huge role, and no cream can change that. But here's the good news. You don't need to look like someone else to have glowing, healthy skin. Let's start with the basics. A healthy diet. Load up on colorful fruits, vegetables, and leafy greens. These are packed with vitamins that nourish your skin from within. And water? Oh, it's a game changer. Stay hydrated, and if you can, drink coconut water daily. Next, physical activity improves blood circulation, making your skin glow from the inside out. Just 2 months of eating right, staying hydrated, and being active, and you'll see an 80% difference in your skin without using any skincare products. Now, let's tackle the remaining 20%. It's all about hydration and protection. Start with a gentle face wash that won't strip your natural oils. Follow up with a moisturizer that matches your skin type and top it off with sunscreen. These 3 simple steps are non-negotiable for healthy, glowing skin. Glass skin isn't about chasing perfection. It's about consistency, self-care, and embracing the healthiest version of your skin. The links of the products which suits all skin types are in the description box. But wait, if you're struggling with tan skin, it might feel like a roadblock to achieving glass skin. Don't worry, I've got a dedicated video where I walk you through the exact steps to remove tan and even out your skin tone. Make sure to check it out.